we have to start with this. What's a process scientist? Unfamiliar with this term until learning about yourself.
Sure. So the easiest way to describe it is process scientists study systems in change. So like we just study change. And I know that's extremely broad. So the way I
Yes.
would describe this is a biologist studies biological processes. A chemist studies chemical processes. A process scientist just studies what's common among processes in general. So like one would say, if I was looking at biological systems, you're watching them change, you're watching them take energy, transform that energy into different things. A process scientist is really trying to understand what is the nature of how systems change and how they want to change. Like what are certain configurations that are better than others? And that kind of spans all processes. So it's a very broad discipline in that way. But the way it applies normally, and let's say in the business setting, which is where I apply most of my consulting time, it's really watching business systems and seeing how we can optimize to reduce costs, how we can, and then the scientist part is just we'd go about it using the scientific method as sort of our backdrop.